Hi guys, Laz here again, and in this video we're going to be talking about shipping, and basically we're going to be setting up our shipping rates for our products. Now we will want to go in here, still in the settings, and now we're here as you can see. First thing we're going to want to do is go down here to where it says packages, and we're going to edit this package, and for the weight we're just going to put 0 pounds. Now I'm going to tell you why this is important in just a second. So the way we have 0 pounds. This is important because the way that we're going to be setting up our shipping rates is it's going to be based off weight. So this will all make sense now. But before we get there, we want to edit this and actually we want to delete this zone. So delete US and we're going to go in here and we're actually going to delete this one too. Now it's going to make more sense. We have to delete this. No. Delete shipping zone. Okay, perfect. And now we want to go to add shipping zone. Now we don't have any shipping zones right now, but we're going to add them. So when we add shipping zone, we're going to put whole world. And basically it's not dependent on country, it doesn't matter. It's basically going to be worldwide. So we're just going to put rest of world here. All 241 countries. And the shipping is going to be weight based. So we're not going to do anything with price based unless, I mean, you can totally change this later depending on how you want it. But the way that we do it, we're going to do it weight based. And we're going to go in here and click add rate. So, well, we want to set up a couple of different rates here. So for example, we want to set up a free shipping rate. So free shipping. So the order weight for free shipping is going to be 0 pounds. Now you might say, well, products don't weigh 0 pounds generally. They generally weigh something, even like a piece of paper weighs something. And this is just something that we're applying on our back end. We can dictate the weight of any product. It doesn't really matter what the product is. So it's just something on the back end. It's not like a physical thing. It's just something on our back end so that these shipping rates come out when certain products are chosen. So we're going to click done. And now free shipping is set up for 0 pounds. So whenever we import a product and we put that it weighs 0 pounds, because we can control that, we can control how much the product we say it weighs. So we can say it weighs 0 pounds, and when that shipping says 0 pounds, it's going to come out as free shipping. So for some products, it'll make sense for us to say that they weigh 0 pounds because we want to offer them as free shipping. But for other products, we might want to charge shipping, and it would make sense. A customer won't mind paying for shipping. So now we're going to add another rate in that case. So here we're going to go and add standard shipping, and we're going to say this is 5 pounds. And here we're going to say 5 pounds. So when a product weighs 5 pounds, we're going to say that we want to charge a flat rate of $5. So we're going to click done. And the thing with this is that you want to make sure you have all your bases covered. So say right now someone purchases a product that's one of our 5 pound products that basically it's a $5 shipping. So if they buy one, it's fine. But let's say they buy two. So there it will go up to 10 pounds. So we want to account for that as well. And if we're charging shipping per item, we want to make sure all our bases are covered. So this we can keep it as standard shipping. This is the name that customers will see at checkout. So you can mess with this. You could call it super saver shipping or super fast shipping, depending, like you can call it whatever you want. This is just what we're going to call it for now. So this is just in case someone buys two products. And then obviously we want to raise that shipping price because we want our margins to stay consistent. So you might also want to lower it based on it's all up to you, but right now, if we're keeping it consistent, we're gonna say 10 pounds is $10. Like that's for an example of a product that we're a 5 pound product. We're gonna say that's $5 on shipping. If they order two, it's gonna be 10 pounds, so we want $10 on shipping, and so on. And you can just keep adding rates. We're gonna add another one, standard shipping. And now let's say they order three products, so that would be 15 pounds, and here we will be $15. Yeah, so as you can imagine, you definitely have a lot of wiggle room here, and for different priced items, you can price the shipping differently. You can try with $2 shipping. You can try with $10 shipping. You know, you can try different things, but just remember this weight based shipping, which is gonna be the method that we're using to track how much we're gonna charge for shipping on individual products. And this is super important, guys. So I'm just gonna keep going because so I think we did 15 the last one, so now we're gonna want to do 20, and then that's gonna be $20. So yeah, so this is for the 5 pound product. So let's say they order two, they'll be paying $10 shipping. If they order three, they'll be paying $15. If they order four, they'll be paying $20. And then this is just on the 5 pound products. We can add other rates as well. So let's call this one Super Saver so we don't get confused. Super Saver shipping. Actually, I'm just gonna copy this so I don't have to do it every single time. And we'll say that the weight for this is 2 pounds. And we'll say this is $2, $2 shipping. So we'll say, so now whatever product we put a weight of two, they're gonna pay $2 per product that they buy. And you just want to keep making more and more weights on that multiple just so that you got your bases covered. Because let's say that for the 5 pound products, somebody orders more than four. Because right now we only have up to four. If someone orders more than four, well, then we don't have a shipping rate for that. So they're just going to get either free shipping or it's going to get an automated shipping from Shopify. And we basically just want to control that. So you want to make it to the point where, like, maybe somebody won't order 10 products in one order, but you get the idea, right? So that's $2 there. So Super Saver shipping again. We're gonna say four. That's the multiple. We're going multiples of two, and then this is gonna be $4. Not free shipping. So yeah, we have two, four. So if they order two, they're gonna be paying four, and so on. You guys get the idea, right? So yeah, you just keep on adding different shipping methods, and then these weights are gonna be the weights that you're gonna be adding to your products once you import them. We haven't imported any products yet, but we will get there. And once we import the product, you'll be changing the weight depending on how much you want to charge on shipping. So yeah, this is super important, guys. Make sure you have these weight-based rates set up, and make sure once you've set them up, you click here, save, so that you have them working. So right now, you see we have these weight-based rates right here. This is for the whole world. Whole world right here. 241 countries. And yeah, and remember, guys, right here in the safe packages, we want to put that as 0 pounds, because if we don't, when we get here to the shipping zones and shipping rates, that will throw off all of these shipping rates. So we want to make sure that our package is 0 pounds, just so that the product is the only thing that's counting towards this weight. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. You have your shipping rates set up now, and see you guys in the next one.